Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Compare Files with Highlights version 1.2, we're going to cover another plugin that you may want to start using today. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. I'm in Eclipse, and to get this plugin, I'm going to open my plugin store, click on Available, and I'll be able to find Compare Files with Highlights in the store. I can click Download, and once the plugin is downloaded, I can click Enable and then OK to activate it. I'll click Yes to restart Eclipse, and I'll relaunch Eclipse. And the way that this plugin works, if we take a look at the description, is that it's going to add a menu item under Edit, Extras, Compare, and Highlight. This is also something you can add to a keystroke if you want to. And what this will do is compare two different ECL files and highlight the differences in red and green, indicating where the files have changed or differ. When you run the plugin, it will prompt you to select two files, and you can select them at the same time or choose them one at a time. Whichever file you select first is going to be treated as the edited or draft version, whereas the second will be the reference or ground truth file, so that you can see the difference between the second file and the first file. This will create a new file with the first file name _compare.ecl, and it will be in the same place as the files that you selected, typically your jobs folder. Let's take a look at exactly how this works. First, what I'm going to do is make a copy of one of the files that I want to compare. So I'm going to make a copy to my same job folder, and then I'm going to open that file. I'm going to delete some text, and I'm going to add in some typed in text as well. I'll make a couple of globals, and now I'm going to close this file, and we'll compare the original with the one that I just edited. So I'm going to go to Edit, and then Extras, and I'll do Compare and Highlight. And so the first file that I choose is going to be the one that I've edited, and the second file that I choose will be considered the master version that it's comparing to. So generally, you would want to compare your pre-edited version with your post-edited version, or the version that you sent your scopist with the version that you received from your scopist. Whatever the case may be, that's the way that the sequence will work. So I'm going to select the original file now, and I'll be prompted to include an accuracy score, and this will tell me how much of the document differs. I'll click Yes so you can see what that looks like. It also asks me if I want to grade capitalization. You can choose to do that or not, and I'll click Yes. It'll ask me also if I wish to grade punctuation. I'll click Yes again. And it will also ask me if I want to grade disfluencies, words like and things like that. I'll click Yes. And now I get the file that says _compare and will outline all of the differences in the document. So in this case, the documents were 98% similar, with 979 words total and 14 differences or errors. And if I scroll down and look at my document, we see that all of the words I removed are outlined in red, and all of the words that should be there instead are in green. And here we see that originally it was neighbors, and I changed it to neighbors. Same thing with HSE being changed to HSC. And so with this, it will outline all of the differences in your document. And you can choose each of those options for capitalization, punctuation, and disfluencies as you prefer. This is a great plugin to use if you're evaluating a new scopist, or if you're simply seeing how well you're doing yourself. If you're new to reporting, this is a great way to compare your test results and see how much better you're getting. This is also a great way for instructors to scan through documents and see places where their students may need help. However you choose to use Compare Files with Highlights, I hope that you'll give it a try today. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772 288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out and give this plugin a try today. Thank you and have a great day.